YouTube, what's up? It's back with Adam Warden. Today's another video. Sorry that I haven't been posting, but now you're getting the post of a lifetime. I hope this video gets 1,000 views. If you guys wouldn't mind, I am going to be riding a private jet, and the pilot's going to be my grandpa. And this is the jet. It's pretty cool. And this is the airport. Yeah. So if you guys haven't, please hit that like button and subscribe to the best channel out there. And I got to bring one person of my choice, and I brought my cousin. He's videotaping it right now. Thank you. His channel will be in the link in the description. And my brother's channel that just started, Omar Word of Vlogs, is going to be down in the description. Please hit that smash button on both of those channels, and we will get started with the video.